Let's take a look at the category group and job category setups. These setups work hand in hand in that the category group is made of multiple job categories. As example, if we look at the category group labor and select job categories in the ribbon, you'll see a list of the job categories that represent labor classification, or known as your labor categories. The category group is used to group different types of costs, such as labor and material. The category group is user-defined and can be configured, however, the following default groups have been predefined. So labor, travel, materials, subcontract, other, indirect, burden, and fee. Pretty much everything listed here. The next important field to look at is the valid for field. The options drive where the associated job categories may be used. For example, labor can be used for time entry, and then burden for allocations. Now we'll look at the cost account field. Now this is where you will define the GL account for where the cost should post to. You'll notice that the category group labor has the default direct labor account populated. Now the next fields here all drive revenue recognition and will typically be left blank on the category group. Now we mentioned the job category when we first introduced the category group setups. Let's take a look at the category group field on the job category. This is how we will assign a category to its particular group. You'll notice that the valid for field is not editable, and it defaults from the category group. Now the next field we want to look at is the cost account field on the job category. We'll take a look at our subcontractors job category or category group. Now you'll notice that the subcontract travel is set up to go to an alternate cost account here. Now as mentioned earlier, the next few fields drive revenue recognition, but are typically going to be left blank.